everybody, and welcome back to our channel. I am Cold Fire. I'm Fire.
He wants to be a godfather now.
It's cold in the south. I know it's not as cold as it is probably in other parts of the country or the world right now, but I get cold very easily.
So anyways, he's Cold Fire. I'm Kit. We're going to number 6.
Which is Human Nature.
And I think everybody and their mothers heard this song at some point.
This is one of my favorite videos, but
I don't know if I've seen the video before, but I know I've heard the song.
Yes. So let's jump right into it.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself.
Feel like it's got hot guys in it.
Express yourself, don't repress yourself. 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 And
you can't talk like that.
I don't like her hair.
Why?
I don't know.
Cornrows?
Yeah. I don't know.
What?
I don't think they look good on her. But that's just
She's trying to make a statement.
Well, I get that. I just don't like the way it looks on her.
I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature.
Dance on
I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. Handle it. You wouldn't let me say the words I long to say. You didn't want to see life through my eyes. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. You tried to shove me back inside your narrow room and silence me with bitterness and lies. Express yourself, don't repress yourself. Did I say something wrong? Oops, I didn't know we could talk about sex. I must have been crazy. Did I stay too long?
It's amazing how a mirror makes dance moves look cool in a video.
Well, what I was going to point out is that this was a song that she made against all the backlash that she was receiving it. That's why it kind of sticks to me. This song always stuck out on the album as not really falling in line with the way the album was going, so to speak. Because remember we done Survival, Secret, and then we done Inside of Me.
I figured this would be in like the erotic album.
Yeah. But this was her, I think this was her backlash because she's in the BDSM outfit. And you see they tried to spread her legs and she was trying to close them. But she was trying to get a point across to the critics that, oops, I didn't know I couldn't talk about sex. And she goes on to say other things in there pertaining to the media's outlash, but I like how she's going with the R&B look, and it was well received with them too because they were on her side. But other than that, you know, this was basically a fuck you song. I'm gonna do what I want to do.
And now, back to the video.
Oops, I didn't know I could speak my mind. What was I thinking? And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. Handle it.
I got
Punish me
that
Okay.
damn two-piece.
So what's up with that mask?
Disguise.
I know, but it looks like a.
She always felt like she had to disguise herself when she went out in
I'm
public.
just saying, it looks like looks like something like a plastic bag.
Well, it very well could be because that's part of BDSM, but
Is it really?
yeah,
Okay.
maybe she's a suffocation. Maybe they were like suffocating her with the critics, stifling her, and she was trying to point that out in the thing.
I was just wondering.
There's many elements like the boxes.
Mm-hmm.
You know how like society tries to put you in a box, and you don't break out of that box. You're supposed to stay.
No, I get that.
This way to be American.
Yeah, whatever. I get it. I was just wondering about the plastic bag because that's kind of freaky if you ask me. But I guess
I love how she has all the hot guys around her. You see the one from that was off of her girly show tour, and then the he was also in the Birdcage. He's also a choreographer, or was now, and then the
one that was wasting his gun.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then it had the other guy in there, the when she done Beaver and he popped up, the Chinese guy, the Asian guy. He's in there. I don't know who the third guy is though, but they're all hot. You know, Madonna.
What was I thinking? And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. It's human nature. It's human nature. And I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. Handle it. And I'm not sorry. I'm not apologizing. It's human nature. Would it sound better if I were a man? And I'm not sorry. You're the one with the problem. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. Why don't you just deal with it? Cause I'm not sorry. Would you like me better if I was? It's human nature. We all feel the same way. And I'm not sorry. I have no regrets. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me. Absolutely no regrets.
Nope. Everything keeps popping up. I wish there was a way to stop those pop-ups.
They pop up on ours, so shut up.
I know.
Anyways.
But the video was absolutely amazing. The song was amazing. The lyrics
Especially
just
at the
nailed
end.
everyone that had ever criticized her.
Especially at the end.
She's like, would you like me better if I was a man? Would it sound better if I were a man? When she done all this stuff.
I like where she constantly said, "I'm not sorry."
Yep. I'm not your bitch. Don't hang your shit on me.
Mm-hmm.
And she's like,
I'm not the one with the problem. You are.
yep.
Yeah.
Deal with it.
So.
I just love all the words she put in there. And the song really didn't go that much on the charts because they knew that it was a
No, I get it.
song to get to them, so they suppressed it a little bit.
But it was a good. I mean, I like that song. I've never actually seen the video. I have heard the song. I mean, like I said, I think everybody has heard this song.
This is when she got her little chihuahua.
Yep. So.
And she was so enamored with that little chihuahua. I don't know what happened to it now, but I'm pretty sure that.
I'm sure it's passed away.
Yes.
Yeah.
But Madonna is a very affectionate person when it comes to animals.
So.
But that was the one and only Human Nature, and who else could sing that song better than her? And because she lived it.
Yeah.
Trust me, she lived it. And she's still living with it, but she's still carrying on, isn't she?
Yep.
Okay, hope that you enjoyed Human Nature by Madonna.
We did.
Stick around because we did, and you know, this.
We're gonna do more.
So, out of all the songs now, which one is your favorite?
This one.
Yep.
So.
Okay.
Now the one that was number 3 is not at the bottom anymore. The last one we did. What was that one?
Inside of Me.
Yeah. That one went to the bottom.
Okay.
So.
Because
But-
you're more of a person that you like upbeat songs.
I do.
Yeah.
I do. So. But anywho.
But that was the one and only Madonna with Human
Yay.
Nature, And we hope that you enjoyed it and come back, stick around because we're going to finish the album. And we'll see you later. Love you. Bye bye.